Chimina. Kwa kwa. Okumuntu bakazaliwe bakakira kutindimu. Boroku. Itombe chimina cyo mbashe bitwaro mukaka. Chena kwa ejibaraka yakugamu. Bas. Ano waka. Basta. Warambwe no wawe ndi kuca mushango hagati yawe n'umukazi wawe. Ubwo bushobozi ko tabwine iwe wabwiya waruhanga wamubugana nkahemanya. Kora baganaga no bisana. Tuva bashaka bari milonga ya.
Okwenda kwanjira umuhereza umbyemizano otaferwa program yakadirisa buri rwa kashatu turi kwishaho ibyafayo by'abazani nebiri kubakwataho akadirisa nikakorwa ganda amazoba arwo kubanza no rwa katano kugashamwenda okwisa shamwenda necwe kazihangwe aha TV West nehinda
Odia TV West na kwachiro makuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity herizoba ebiro ni 17 kwa mkage 2025 kandi nyine Sunday brand ntuja kwisiyaho hebija mutogwa makuru kandi kuturagace tuja kwisiyaho makuru Agacencwire ombwejire
Emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
Roseform. I'm sending it.
Agacencwire kireki abarukuru kuteza kariro mu kibina cha NRM batandika kwandika ombutongore
ombotaba mukurwana timwagira raro umwanya gumwe naki tukwatanise manya ekine cha family
abarukuhingo mbisharara nibetombwitira government okubabingita baragwiro muri kakumiro
ndashituma ntupanyise kisharareki ntuleba tekame bihingwa ebikwangusa sente
abarukutuntuza abarukuguze byo kuriya ha muhanda baragwirwa muri Shema municipality
hata mwenda kuba bingaha bariyo bategereza umuntu arwo mutakisagure konja omukaza afuna kasente asomesha umwana we hata mwenda kumbina ngwaze yi
Emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
Roseform. I'm sending it.
Mbabazi Charity na Sande Brian agana makuru Agacencwire ombwijwire abarukuru kuteza karuru mu kibine cha NRM batandika kutoranwa ningashi kwandikwa ombutongore erizo ba Minister Frank Tumwebaze n'abandi banyishenjero bahinguzwa okuza kuronda karuru kandi bashabo kugira karuru akobusinje
Erizoba abantu abihireye impapuro isabite hwire nibwo bagaruza impapuro bwa nyuma yo kutunga emikono kandi bikiriza bwo kugumiza mu kwesimba no kutandika kuronda karuru kabo aharurengo rw'abanyishengero muri Kampala hamwe n'abakansaro mu districts zabo
abahagize beitu mwena umurikibare East Kamwenge district ngo erizoba 15 kwa mukaga 25 15 sha itanu ne dakika 25 natunga umugisha kwandikwa kandi kurangirwa mu butongore ubukitenza tango doye mukuru w'akacyo kakaruru
impe nashemero mnoga kurangu nyine abanyesimbi abokwa obumwe abantu nibanga kwesimba bajangwa katuzi birakagira
nabwa nyuma bamumbanyishengera bikirizwa kugumiza mu kwesimba nabagira ngo hariho ibintu bari kwenda kongera korra abantu babo eberamo entindo enguto n'obundi buhereza
nyowe intanda y'inkuhereza abantu banje bashaka sauce no kugira ngo unyehire yo kubakora byone eberemere kubikora bakashitira abantu bakatunga entasya
leadinga office za NRM twazakutandika of course kuronda karuru ebitukozere nibiyegamberera ndujya kushobora abantu
abishaza ya Kashonji county nyenda kutwara umugishogu simba abanyakashonji abatwire banyine mu bwesugwa
akochika Rwampara Niger izoba ngo bantongoze nko muntu oyitsimbireho kandi warete impapuro zishikire
afutandika 21 merome yitkozere omu social services no mu khereza abantu general obuhereza
Rebyambo current woman Mpimbarara district nyenda kwebaza rahanga ngo erizoba nija isi ya NRM mu Kampala Chadondo kandi nahereze kuba nominated na NRM mwenu nimbeto mbwinji nimbeto mbushaji kibwamani nimbeta na rukundo mpango 2016
amora simwe member wa parliamenti ahantebe y'abacyara ya Rwampara district oshabirwe abanyarwampara ngo agarike ayetsimbe agarike abahereze
abariyone bija busi mu ishengero beina masiko kuhindura binje bituyire biremere aba batuyire ne bebembera
I duly nominate you for the Gaba Lubiko Voice of South
Constituency. Ni Gachibare East Constituency muri Kamwenge abantu banje abunkunda munonga kandi abunyehire yo gukora
emvumuro yabukanga North mbene nyino kushemerwa kwingi kugira ngo kiturantu rwanara hati cyatandaka umbibire numuhure mvumuro hati yaza kutandika kuvumura
umukumanya kaona rebo gwanga muje emporogoma yigara west ayabinjirembwa kugira ngo unyo wentereze bitu gitu empapra nazi etango do yazimpa kandi ninyenye simbere nyenka
Jogo Kenneth Biryabarema okurugo mu Rwanda erizoba ndenda kuhamisiriza umunyarwanda uri kundeba ku erizoba namara okuhandikwa
natwara umugishogu okwijaha okumanyisensi yona ngo naba dure nominated
rutera hoririani hati oryo mwesimbi ubundi mbenu mumanko mukazi wekitekateko abwisingiro district kujwekera abakazi bisingiro konkate ndiyo mwesimbi wenyini
okwikirizibwa kwesimbo bwe bari kutwara impapura zabo no kuhendera ibiro 30 ukwezi oko umuganda barikwenda kujwekera ibyanga by'abaharurengo rwa district erizoba batandika kwehandikisa kandi bamwe bahaye kutungura ibyanga byabona munongo mugombore ya Kicuzi aho bakino uburemezi bwe by'amagara n'engutombi
Kicuzi yari nyuma by'amagara na munonga umuruko gwirmya mbafisa abana bato bataka kuzire aho kugira ngo imbere ya marwaro ga irmya nimbi mbwena nagira wembezi nza kureba ngwirwaro ya irmya health center ya kabiri ya za health center ya kashatu
like parish yirimya inekizubu abantu abamweto barafunira emizi kandi tukumanyisho ngaha bwenji twenda kutandikiraho tukabanza tukakitebekanisa
inshonga za Kicuzi tuzuru kutanaho neza amagombora gando ku rugerera hari yabo abahika kitebe cha NRM kuyihandikisa
Ruchiriniyo the source
ya misi agarukuzo muri banda ta murimbe bana municipality gakaza kazo hati mpurengurgaza ishembabure kunka twine myanya 18 misi ninye nangu nkosaka gishaka nagira umbwebembezi nkore cyo kweta lobbying ko mwanya gwa Rugarama
ahitwa korra makuraga okwehandikisa kw'abantu kutambura kurunje kurugerera hari registrar wa NRM Gloria tushemererwe
kandi tanapu yabanunje abo kuba zishaha twakiza abantu 35 abagire nominated
gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza na Timothy Mushabe
mwebare abashatsi baitu bamakuru abantu abarukwingo mbisharo mu district ya Kakumiro nibetombuita habwa government okuremwa okura okushaba kwabo bagira ngo embere barukuturamo nembe munonga kandi na season nazo zikahinduka kandi kibaretire bacamo okuhinga ombisharara
omubishara bya Kakumiro nibahinga mu muceri enyanya ebichori ebihimba entonga nebindi bihingwa kandi nibagira ngo nabo tubakubire nibenda batayere bishara kunkembera nire kubajemesereza
kandi shitukutuma ntupanyisa kishara leki ntuleba tutekame bihingwa ebikwangusa sente kwenda tugoborole munitwe twiheyo turugeyo tube nk'abandi
konka government kabe tarakwatitwe nchende kwate bakama bebisenyi bebibira abari kutupangisa kubarija abari twa bakwata kandi itwe tukabe tutino buzibu konkitwe ntubaha sente
okurugera abantu aba ebisharebe nabyo nibapangisa kuhingamo kunka government ija korebwe kweto eshishe misiri yabo batafiriye kumanyina kuyibarukurabamo
nibija babingamo abantu bababinga hansi bajyango mu rugemu haza kwaho mwaka kwetorora ushanga ngo baresera umuhindi baho yahinga hekikijo tinkumanya government nekunda abahindi kukiritwa abanyayuganda
ebihimba kiro etandikiro mu 15 eyembibo baitwa ubikera ngo 2 3 ati abo ensonga eyo nanye ningamba kanjyo mu kisaru ndimo muceri abo kuba nigo guro akasente eyo niyo ensonga bamwe tuleteza naitwe ntukora shini tulimo mu bisaru
abebembeze nibashaba government okongera amano mu kushomesa abanyayuganda okwetigereza omugashogo kurinda ebyo bahangwa
oiroho muongere kusomesa omuntu wa hansi owabulikiro nti bwara talibanze kisaru au tukamuzijja kuba zikozere ziri nkoto
ati twamara kufuna akabeya kijireyo nko mu bichori ebihimba n'ahandi cyakira tuyamba kuja ngo twatahirire byo buhangwa abo ate government kwerijamo bole kangu tushishire munonga mo special ebisharara turahinga muko muceri na nebindi kandi urareba ngo abantu nimo bariha eco kurya obasikuru fees y'abana neza
nenyenda kugambira abanyakakumiro ngo no bushirabe ngo abantu baragamba ngo ebisharara nabyo bicyarimo eco kukora nenga kuhinga mu muceri kuhinga mu bichori kuhinga muki kandi tuenda ku gazetinga in other words to marking take ho boundaries umuntu amanye aha kisarara kiratandikira kandi kikukangira kugira ngo twashangolengere that mark boundary mark tugwe victinge oba mu businje oba mu bubi
tutamurugaho nagira ngo abarukupangise bisharana babikora mu buhenda biragiro kandi baba bakwasirwe nibeja kufuberwa
titwenda kusiba tubiruka abantu we have directed chairperson 0C1 no butarabe turamanya ngo ba chairperson zabamwe nabo ni bamwe abara perpetuating okushishe byo buhango tugizire ngo twandikira abantu hamwe n'abagiso then twaso na criminal intelligence abade crime intelligence kugira ngo twandikira abantu then tubasamoninge direct mu court tutasibile za kubiruka
district ya Kakumiro ni mwara za districts zine bishara bisisirwe munonga umucyange cya Bunyoro gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze
webare Thomas tumwebaze abatura na nabavuje byiruka abarukoso rwuto rwa Kikorongo okuzampondwe home district ya Kasese nibetombuitira itongore echa dot services wanyuma yo kucerwa koro rwuto orwijire mebyina no mcucu abantu bagira ngo kwihamkuru wihanga arwigura koro atine cyarakozwe
Oruguto rwa Kikorongo kuzampondwa mu district ya Kasese rukigurwaho President Museveni 2018 byo kwezi kwa Muzimbe zo mwaka uguhire ngo ruterwe koransi Orugutoru rukakwasibwa ekitongore kya dot services kurukora kandi nurwingana kilomita 102. Wiharutongozo bwatine kirakozirwe kandi omucucuguru buri hamwe.
There are delays definitely because, as you know, the road is a factor that leads to so many things really. Without a road, you can't do much. Because it is the road that will enable people to take their commodities to the market. It is the road that will make people transport the traders from wherever they are to where they buy the merchandise from.
Barabara ni mbaya, watoto viko wanakufa, gari ziko naanguka, kutoka Bwera kufika Kasese. Tumekufa sana kabisa. Tunataka government mtusaidie badi. Mtusaidie sana. Gari tunashinda mgaraji, unavuga gari siku moja, siku mbili unaenda mgaraji. Ugodolufu abana bali mukufeno. Fetuka babukabi. Mutuyamba ko rugudo murukole. Betwagala urugudo barukole batekamwe amaramo buli kimu kolasi.
Okurigirira habebembezi nibagira ngo abatura bagumisirize ahubwo ku rugudo rumurija gukorwa.
The Chikorongo-Mbondo Road is now in a bad state, but as leaders, we have been appealing to the central government, that is the Ministry of Works and Transport. They have been promising us that the road is going to be worked on soon, but we don't know how soon is going to be soon, though they told us that the contract has been awarded to the dot services. Otherwise, the road is in a sorry state, and we ask the government to quicken up the process of working on the road.
This is a trans-African highway. It is from another country to another country. It should be really be tarmacked. The president commissioned tarmacking the road from Chikorongo up to Bwera.
No twagezaho kugamba n'aba dot services ahantebe kanisa zo koro ruguto ruticyabasika konka Godfrey Kabyango minister wa Kanyabwenje hamwe no kaburi hanga hine byagamba hanshongeji.
Also now dot services have started what we call forward maintenance. Before the actual work starts, they are supposed to continue maintaining the road. That's why they are filling potholes and the like. Later, they will now clear the embankments.
Amakoraga gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.
Omugandi amakuru omunyeshenjera habwashema municipality Dickson Colin Kateshumbwa arabwira abakozi ba government kugenda mpora omu mirimo ya government bitu kutari kwigusa amabondo gabo bakabona bonesa omuntu wa hansi.
Kateshumbu korereza abakazi bagonja omurikabwe hamwe n'itendero nobwabiri nabuga n'abatura okuruga omurikagango division omu municipality ya Shema.
Bariyo bategereza omutango mutakisagure konja omukazi afuna kasente asomesa omwana we ati nonda kumbinga ngo azeyi omuntu nobanza n'omutebekanisa hakuza rero mwena kugira ki
hona nabwo abakozi ba government abiremo kukuba emibazi y'amarwaro hamwe no kushomangura sente za government ngo baryenerya
kwenda kurya bya government batakumanya umuronzi yatira omuntebe kutuburwaneho abari kurya emibazi y'omwirwaro akakiguza okashanga omukozi aine duka omumisho g'irwaro rya government embazi nagiba gitwara
muhe munururimi rumwe rwo kujumangana abo kwa nyica kareto kumanya umuntu arakutambire imwe mwazo mukerana nabwo ecyo n'umuco mukureberya itwe nka abesimbi tutukakoze se ebigambo bibi byo kujumangana abo kuba turya bebembeze hatite kuteta kujumangana imwe abantu abwache n'kujumangana
edini obunyomani oburyani bona bukakwataki agaciro hakuba omukyala uhanda omukazi omuteganda akuyizire aho niho yatandikira.
bashoborera ku kanso yashema municipality etwire netungo buhumbi mwenda buri mwaka kandi ubwo hato kutandika n'umwaka guhwire government ekajongera hatano batungo buhumbi 20
katesha takizire o municipality twatwine billion mwenda Milton ryahanonjurira o municipality aturobingire aturetire billion 20
amarwaro chunda ni mujumanya kore bona lebo kore bakatu iraha na reportinga konko buteko buri mu chunda at least twine obushohoro
umuganda nkago abembeza batarukwenda kurikireza bizu by'abantu abaterira karuru bahabwira kwegarukamu ebi bigambirwa kateshumbo bwabire nabugana habatura okurwa muri Shema Central Division municipality ya Shema
mwenu mwetantara abantu abatakubakunda ukasanga umuntu nando webembezi ari kansara kongatura na hakana na MP mwenyo na hakana na president Nimbasa
echo meshero kumanywanga autocrave ekitwire nekiburo mu ishemerezo rya Kabwere center ya kana kateshumbwa kiguzire ya kitayo
cyakireka wesha mwene cheka abacara bashatu babazemesha kuna bendia opuromu tateresu atubaba shemeza tomu yazarakane akita katesha
ahantu hashabira abantu bashima okurongora president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni n'enchure ndisho ahabwe ntunguka ya manera munejo murashema gasha kwa Michael atwachire
babare Michael atwachire reka tomero ntugaruka nagarukorata
agarukorataho nagakushikibwaho
Mobit nerwo mite nebujumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutanga ndwara zo mbiri nkobhere ebuguna amazomba nezibawe kukundeka mwana wanje hataba kuguba Mobit bakabito mushipa kimwe
agarukurataho oburire bw'omushija bweyonjiro mu district ya Chegegwa abe byamagara berarikirire
abantu kinani kabiri bantu 10 mubafa batakagiza myaka 5
agarukurataho gabanaga kushikibwaho
Mobit nerwo mite nebujumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutanga ndwara zo mbiri nkobhere ebuguna amazomba nezibawe kukundeka mwana wanje hataba kuguba Mobit bakabito mushipa kimwe
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Here's your chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay school fees using Momo.
Hi, Mango Senior School. We are here to reward one of our winners that paid school fees with Momo, and they got themselves school fees for a whole year.
The winner is my little sister. We loaded the money on my line. We did a payment. So basically, that's the story behind as to why it's me and then mom. It's such a relief for any parent, because you imagine sitting at the back and knowing the child is going to do school for a full year. You're not worried about anything whatsoever. So I'm excited. Thank you, MTN.
This is continuous, so please, I call upon everyone to continue paying school fees with Momo. Dial *165 *80 hash and pay school fees with Momo and stand a chance to win school fees for a whole year.
Werarenko mwerere nomfaratsi bw'omutendo kandi nuguhangara omugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecho rukwenda Resform ensi y'ebiroto birungi
Otwiro inechetengo chokushoma bunasi obuzarisa Ivrin Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa ahurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi ari Mbarara Community Hospital ija uyetungiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kuri ni kugenda omumisha hishomero ebiri kukiraho terera notu mushanje ibiri kinana neina 13 Kaganitano Ogambe na Academic Registrar Ivrin Health Training Institute Mbarara City improving community health.
Everything could be end.
Penkoni.
Yakwera utamuhimu mudu nokora ekikire wanyo mpenkoni. Wanyo mpenkoni nushumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinje. Nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni.
Eligenda yakintu cyo kunywa cyonka.
Mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija. Mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje. Teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe.
Sinza kutambura. Ngashinywede ku mpenkoni. Ukakasi. Kwata. Nawe nywako.
Tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga. Iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi.
Mpenkoni wakinkorire.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, ecenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaro, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kande cyo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera no tumushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga no tumushanje no tumukaga 36
Noyenda kwishikiriza kiroto cyawe echo kwera amagara g'abantu nitwakira Hafins Medical University itendekero eritongozibwe okushomesa amashomo agebyo bushaho omu East Africa. Obwa hati nitwakira applications on mashomonka Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery, Pharmacy, Lab Technology, Weekend Nursing and Midwifery, Medical Education Nurse Tutorship, twinena diploma omuri Nursing, Midwifery, Clinical Medicine, Pharmacy, Lab Technology, otebirwe na za certificates omuri Nursing, Midwifery, Pharmacy, hamwe na bridge course. Twine laboratory yo murembe eyo mweji ari kubangururwamo. Tuyishirire ahamikutu yitu www.fmu.ac.ug tandika urugendo rwawe rw'obusinguzi na Fins Medical University. Fins Medical University okutambira amagara g'abantu nugwo mwete gwitu.
A smile that is white, fresh and beautiful is a smile to be proud of. Discover new Colgate White and Fresh for the whole family with high quality and an incredible price.
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad n'amachemerwa minji ntabarusi abo bona batunjire visa bakagenda kandi tumanyisa abantu mwena ngo nitucenda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojo n'abishiki emyaka 21 okwisarya na 5 okora chai chenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service, airport security, aviation stewards, check-in agents, landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Okweyandisa no kwabusha free registration amatagit gona esimu notu mshanju ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga notu mshanju ina itano ninga notu mshanju ina not rukumi.
wararoteekateekera byo kwombeka genda mu ba Dubai P&C Uganda Limited abari kushangwa omurimbarara site obwa hata bafurikire kimwe bakaruga aha Garage Street no bashanga Makanising Street aha kizimbe cy'abasista hamwe na hashungine na Chosiga House hamwe na hawe house yabo Rwogoma erukushangwa aha Victor Bwana Road washumira aha banda byembaho ogwaza Andrews ahu akatareka Makanising kafurikire aha we house yabo bineho tiles nyamwingi enchene mpango nka 60 by 60 na 120 by 60 okurga Twyford Kenya na China mikaso size zona nebika bya adhesive nka quick stick tile adhesive erukusiba tiles zempango n'amabare gahabisika na swimming pools twinitaji shaka waguro mu bwingi transport eruho washika showroom yabe ya hawe house ebintu byona no butandu bata
manager ogito wagito konka batumu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ achumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tukizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunywa mbogo
na wampesi yona nesente konga tanyuire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje
Korukayo mukahumro mukanda makuru abibyamagara mu district ya Chegegwa na heru yayo borechireho kwato habwe ndwara yo mshija gwensiri okweyongera kwerisa karungo mu district ejo obwa hati Chegegwa niyer kwebembera ama district agandi omchange chatoro okugira barwire binji abo mshija
okurigira habe byamagara abantu abarukwikigana barukuchebeza omushijo mu district ya Chegegwa nkagana munana nibashangwa bagwine
omuswija mu region ene ya Rwenzori unde ya Toro Chegegwa niye cyina abantu abayino muswija mwingi muno buli bantu 10 abantu nkagana munana buli bantu 10 abayino abakura abayino muru abantu nkagana munana bakebera mbasanga abayino muswija gwemibu
enshongeji ejemeseriza b'ekitongore cha Red Cross hamwe na UNICEF okubuganaho n'abanyamakuru hamwe n'abebyamagara okureba okuba kubasa kurwanisa ekizube ki
hatahindu kugambira muri Chegegwa twinemu ekirwe cha Mpox cyenche yongera kujanjara there is already twakiza barwire 15 bakizire abandi mukaga bakina bajanjaba
buri tukaba twine Rift Valley fever byanerwamo na haija monkeypox bwebaire cyaroho haija Ebola so buli kaire district nebere mu kuyiruka
okurigera habe byamagara okubarwaho kwendwara z'ekikankeki kiteganise emiturire y'abantu
mu district ya Chegegwa abantu abakuzarwamu seruriza kuruga mu kubara abantu mwaka guhoye nukoleka ngo abantu 8 abuli bantu 10 nibafa batakakiza myaka 15.
As journalists, we need to commit ourselves. Whenever you're in a microphone, you are playing your music, you're a DJ, you are doing your presentation, programming, use the department. After I was looking at the strategies that we can use to reach out to the people, we have drama service.
If these people can get information from all corners, like I said earlier, you people are very strong people. People understand you, people trust in you, they believe in you, they even take your message wholeheartedly.
obutagendera hangenderwaho z'abashaho emirire mibi abantu kweragurra obutanaba mu ngaro obutafayo hamwe n'ebindi byinji nizimwe hanshonge zirukongera endwara mu Chegegwa okurigirira abashaho amakuraga gashakwa Philip Murangira
Webere Philip Munangira aba Lions Club bahijiro kwatanza okwera bakateyamba n'abarwira binendwara ezugumire ebi n'ebindi bigambirwa mu district ya Kamwenge aha kutorana abebembezi abasya
okurugira hari Lawrence umuco w'ekigombe kya Lions Club ubwo hati bariyo nibakozesa sente z'urukwika miliyoni emwe ya dola okwera abaturo muri Karamoja binenjara.
When that money goes into that foundation, it is collected from all over the world. And then we identify needs in the communities all over the world, and we give that money in form of grants.
And other diseases that are incurable, the Lions Club comes to the person's rescue. If it is a disaster, they come to the rescue of an area. So you can see that the Lions Club is really humanitarian.
Ebyona bigambirwa babiri nibatora n'abebembezi basya aha bwa Lions Club muri Kamwenge.
And our club bank account currently is in a good standing with 7.5 million, which is available now.
Aba batorine n'uwamanya Didas kandi ogwajiro mbigere bya Mugume Ronald.
All the targets and the work plans and the strategic plans we have set, we are going to steer them up and further more to serve community as it is that we are called to serve. You are in charge of all communications, all records and communication. You are a member of the district and the advisory team.
Members bagenzi banje b'ekigombe tweheyo kukora tugira umutima gwo kuyamba abo kuba nitwe bari kuyamba twine byinshi but we have a big heart.
Aba Lions Club aba babiri mbargo mu district Nkivanda, Kasese, Mbara hamwe n'ahandi. Amakuraga gashakwa Anthony Atwine.
bariyo nareba makuru Agacencwire kandi chikwenire minji hechora kore reka tumereho tugarukanagane.
Oino mukoro nkembaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera ubuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa ahacombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omuri Mbarara City okumanya birukiraho tera noti mushanju mukaga hatano n'itano chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twenko muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bwo murembe
katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nakwa hamutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya echa katochi mugume munywecho katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi ine chama chayo muhute katochi yerya hamutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi teri kuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
nitukwanjurira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka eri cyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo urwa certificate na diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library eyomurembe computer z'ekikacha higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry eyobwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma gwo kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangu donye igendwa eyambarara isingiro odagaciro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanya biri kukiraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu nibiri ukaga nemu Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Kabale University invites you to experience a world-class education in the serene hills of Kigezi. We are a public university located in Kabale, southwestern Uganda, that offers programs ranging from certificates to PhDs. Currently, we offer over 70 of them in the disciplines of medicine, agriculture, engineering, technology, art and design, natural sciences, management, education, language studies, and many more. Join us by applying online at admissions.cap.sc.ug. And for more information, visit our website or call the numbers on your screen. Knowledge is the future.
Singura pichi na ruhira millennium sako. Singura pichi noete ngaka kwanji kamwe ogori kubike mtwara 5 okumara mezi mushanju otakazihireyo kandi abarasingura bihembe binde birimente TV screen zirugogoma amasimu gomurembe nebindi nyamwinji bibike mtwara 21 nabwo mari myezi mushanju otakazihireyo okugura bukonje bwinji nicongere micha yawe yo kusingura akazana kandi kaza kwendera omkwezi wo 12 awuturaga bire bihembo za mataji ga ruhira millennium sako nganya kitunda ruhira Chivare, Kashumba, Kabyanda, Ngarama, hamwe na Mbarara City utandikiraho kubika ibirukiraho tera noti mushanju noti hashatu n'itano mushanju na mnana shinana nemwe ninga noti mushanju mnanina shinana na mnana 15 nkaga na mwenda ruhira millennium sako banka yanje banka yawe millennium sako ekuzirebyo kutambaza
ndi oweno yesije n'umuyobozi wa mukuru w'ishomero ya Kitagata High School muri Shema muri Kitagata Town Council. So nimbanza kusima abafres Uganda abo kutuhereza amashanyarazi umwanya guturumu amashanyarazi konka abafres kutwabashikirire batereza amashanyarazi kandi ndagakora kurunye munonga
Mweniwe oasaruni, abamashomero, abamaduka, abazafamu, n'abatunzi b'enkoko, banyina maka, abamabara na za hoteli. Tunga sora ya fresi, rero kora magoba. Ijuka nguni bagikushumikira, bagikanike, kandi bagaruza mekiri kusisikara. Aho gabusha free. Evri kuchira hotela, noti munana noti, hashatu na mkaga, hatano na mshanju, ngaga ni 5, yabusha.
Alright, listen up. Colgate is on a mission. It's kind of a big thing. Colgate Herbal uses traditional nature's herbs and combines it with Colgate Science for healthy gums and strong teeth. New Colgate Herbal with Salt combines traditional nature's herbs with a pinch of salt and Colgate Science. A natural recipe for strong teeth and healthy gums. Mommy? Yes? At school, everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire echo shuwa.
Katinage bampakingire
Honey, mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Abanyambarara Swift Initiatives Limited baturetera umwana kugwa by'obushubuzi n'oburambuzi ebirabi na mushanju byo kwa mukaga okwisebera mukaga byo kwa mushanju omwogogo omucyayikaceka ije tugure ebituri kwetenga habesha zirweho abashubuzi mwije muguze byanyu abamakorero abamahoteli abebyo kunywa no kurya abamajuta cosmetics abahinji n'abalisa mutaferwa booking omwanya hati tera noti mushanju notemwe anana mukaga shinana na mukaga shinana na mukaga ninga noti mushanju 3 anane 5 noti 3 bakwinire nenyamisho nyamwinji okurugo muzu embarasi gonya maya engamia nezindi bouncing castles swimming train na sakasabwa abana cyesire kutambira bisika no muziki go kuchamura hechiro no mushana okutama main gate ni shirinje 12 no kureba nyamisha ni shirinje 12 abana bishemero hona ni 10 otaferwa
omulabi waffe omulungi tukwaniriza webale kutwekumirako sawa ya mawulire amatuufu nga nze omusomi wo Mike Mulyanyama katono nnyo. Abange Rika Muchuzi Mix kwe kuddibwamu kwa buli mufumbi yenna afaayo obulamu bw'abantu be w'envaazo n'emmere akawoowo n'obuwomi obw'enjawulo. Rika Muchuzi Mix asangibwa mu maduuka gonna okwetooloola eggwanga ku nnusu 10 zokka.
Omuganda makuru abashomesa ba science omuchange cha bushenye mpango bahijire government ngonko kuyaresire karushiramesi yokushoma ebyemikono ombeja ba senior nubende garche etehwe bikoresa omumashomera abo abeji ba science abari kugezaho kwenda kutoma nkora ebibarukwega.
Abashomesa ba sayansi aba region ya Bushenyo kwiga government aha bya sayansi nobo bire bari mu mpaka z'ebyemikono ezibira harmasheruka ga senior secondary school muri Shema ezetabirwa mu mashomero ga senior ga Shema hamwe na Buhweju ahabwa beja bari kushoma science.
Obumwe nushanga ngo ibintu ebana bakora yiza byahika aharevo keji y'abantu byakoma konka ninyongera kwiga government kugira ngo uko kweresere karukira mu agency kandi ekongera kwiga abantu kujura ibintu byinshi batongera mu akasente bose bise byo namba base kunga kunganya nana ebuntu cyo bose kunsupport ngaho kora mu nyungu cyereka ngo nanafu n'ibindi bintu byakubasa kunkwera gukora cyangwa ibasa gukora cyangwa cyakubasa gukora mu bwendijo
hatwe manya ejonore je yakorecho ne basa gukora n'ikintu kibugane kai aharuguto, and that means we shall have very many around. And like those days of challenge they was special from wherever it was coming from, and then the whole village would put aside whatever would be the abakazi baba tachinga.
Empakezi zibire muna bamwe abahanga hanjere hebintu bitari bumwe na bimwe nko gukora tractor okombeka amajuga kanyina okora bimwe habinte biri kubisa hamagara gabantu hamwe nebindi.
So from here do not sleep. Even if you become the first here, the second, don't sleep. You might be the first one here, the second, then on 21st you go home with the last position. So don't sleep.
Problems of unemployment, we have environmental degradation, we have diseases, because I have seen some of you preparing medicine. So a number of problems are affecting our society, but we are failing to solve them because we think every solution must come from above.
Empakezi zebemberwa abashomesa barkwegitoro mu kibina echa sesemat. Omwana makuru abashomesa barkwegitoro mu kibina cyabe cya Uganda Professional Humanities Teachers Union besharinjire kandi baheze sabiti yona batarukuza mu kibina kandi abantu bagira ngo inshonga zabo no butashashurwa kurunji
mbatugira ngo economy ya Uganda erya higura munonge tembire konkitwe twasigara hansi tutambura ni economy okwera kugenda inflation to kujibara umusharo go batirehe imyaka 10 hingwire na hatu nubwo turi kutunga kwanda ibintu biko yongera higuru tukutembana ni economy.
Enough is enough. Salary apartheid in Uganda should be abolished. Teachers of humanity, we matter. Teachers of humanities, we matter. We also have children who want to go to school, but we cannot manage to pay for the school fees of our children.
Muchunguzi jiri ya soro coordinator najira ngo President Museveni yabatakozere hanshonga zabo nibija kugumza munakesha ringo
romisingo mwebembezi wihanga ngo yabatakozere ahabyetago byita ukutongera umushara mazima nkihanga ryona itento za kwegumira umukara
akesha ringa ko bwatwaheze sabiti birkan kagumiza mu mpaka President Museveni akozera hanshonga zabo. Amakuru agagasha kwa Ben Mozi na Richard Nahabwe.
Oria TV West reka tugaruke n'amakuru agebye mzana.
a chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay school fees using Momo.
Hi, Mango Senior School. We are here to reward one of our winners that paid school fees with Momo, and they got themselves school fees for a whole year.
The winner is my little sister. We loaded the money on my line. We did a payment. So basically, that's the story behind as to why it's me and then mom. It's such a relief for any parent, because you imagine sitting at the back and knowing the child is going to do school for a full year. You're not worried about anything whatsoever. So I'm excited. Thank you, MTN.
This is continuous, so please, I call upon everyone to continue paying school fees with Momo. Dial *165 *80 hash and pay school fees with Momo and stand a chance to win school fees for a whole year.
Mothers of Africa.
Mama, will I ever be the best daughter in Uganda?
Well, you've got to be like a geisha bar. Staying strong and go on so far. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay, Mama. I'll be strong and go so far. Lasting long like this geisha bar.
Strong and last long.
Like geisha.
Otweraronda pichi ndunji ezirya mulembe ziranywa mpora naryona birakanika za pichi aba Golden Choice Parts Uganda Limited abanashangwa kizimba cha Patas Hotel hina roundabout ya Tatitwe Mbarara City bakuletera pichi ndunji za roller zebe yesheku hamwe na spare parts za bajaji na senke omuhoro sero na retail nka black pedals za bajaji chain system za bajaji na senke emipira ya pichi na tubes omotypes zona za Golden Choice na Bosen Castro Oil Total Lubricants oil za petrol na diesel hamwe na Total Grease UB Aero Batteries omuhorosero na riti Comet Oil omu half liter na liti 5 otebwe kumenya kika kya roller kirakoze za spare za bajaji boxer kandi wagura n'aba Golden Choice Parts Uganda Limited transport ne yabusha mpako wawe hona mu Western Region okushubura tera noti 3 23 nkaga ni 2 18.
They are bossed up like never before with new buddies and your returning faves. From first class to all things shade. I hate fake people. Are you stupid? Last season was closed.
I would rather travel with a tripod than travel with high retirement plan.
This one's cunning.
I am husband.
Kampala Cream new season starts Sunday 1 June at 8 p.m. on Pile Magic Prime. Stay connected to DSTV channel 148 and GoTV channel 303.
Yeah, possible.
Looks like whoever drops the ball buys the Pepsi. Go on, Jack. Sonny! Saved by Leah Williamson. Wow, Vinny Jr. Game over.
Wait, there's only one Vinny J.
Pepsi, thirsty for more.
When you talk about innovation, I don't immediately think about flying cars. No, I think about things that solve typical Ugandan problems. For example, a sensor that helps you to know the right watermelon to buy. An alarm system in homes that reminds you a device that braids hair under 7 minutes. An alert system installed in Parliament sends SMS every time MP starts dozing like this. A lie detector for relationships. I love you.
Say it again.
I love you. Do you have what it takes?
The spotlight is on you. The National Science Week 2025 is here from the 15th to 20th June 2025 at Kololo Independence Ground. Entrance is free to all. Made in Uganda. Innovative.
They are bossed up like never before with new buddies and your returning faves. From first class to all things shade. I hate fake people. Are you stupid? Last season was closed.
I would rather travel with a tripod than travel with high retirement plan.
This one's cunning. I am Kampala Cream, new season, starts Sunday 1 June at 8 p.m. on Pile Magic Prime. Stay connected to DSTV channel 148 and GoTV channel 303.
Your wedding is just the beginning. Don't miss the Bride and Groom Expo from 27th to the 29th of June 2025 at the Uma Multipurpose Hall. Under the theme, Beyond I Do, building a lifetime together. Come and get tips, products and services you need for I Do and everything after. Tickets are only 10,000 shillings per day. To book a stall, call 0772 354 940. The Bride and Groom Expo is brought to you by Vision Group, Pepsi, Bella Wine and Luke's Bespoke.
Your content, your kids are back home for holiday, but it's not so good.
Turning there, Jacqueline Rice equalized. DSTV ne kwanzurira ka wiki akaburi omwe hatuno basakushashura DSTV ya buri wiki hazoshemererwa umuzano bwo kukunda ahashirinje ku 5 urukushashura rebero mushanju nureba TV aho rukwendera hona DSTV eka yawe yebero kushemeza DSTV nerebererwa Uganda Communications Commission.
Ekirango ky'omutano ekitongole ekya Uganda Bureau of Statistics kikwatanise na Ministry y'ebyobwegyese n'emizaano kitebeekanise okubara okubeesire baseline education census 2025. Okubara oku nikuza kutwariramu amatendekero gono mu ihanga aga gavumenti hamwe n'ag'abantu buntu nka pre-primary, primary, secondary, vocational hamwe n'amatendekero agahiguru. Okubara oku nikuza kutwariramu abeegi abashomesa n'ebizimbe okweraho omuntebeekanisa n'ensharaho omu by'obwegyese. Ekitongole ekya Uganda Bureau of Statistics nikiteerera omuranga abantu boona bakuru b'amashomero n'amatendekero agandi hamwe n'abebembezi ba gavumenti okukwatanisa n'abarikuza kubara. Omuringo gw'omutano ekitongole eki ekya Uganda Bureau of Statistics nikiteerera omuranga abaziire b'abeegi boona okuhagira entebeekanisa egi obwe barikuhamya ngu abeegi nibamanya obu baziirwe biine namba y'endangamuntu narishi Learners Identification Number. Okumanya birikukiraho teera esimu ezi 0772 93 36 28 narishi 0743 78 91 byarangwa Dr. Chris Mukiza arikukurira ekitongole eki kya Uganda Bureau of Statistics.
Eri zuba nziza kutayira ekyaro muviti butosha kakuba kuri yo kwesima no kushemerwa. Nebujumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutamba endwara z'omubiri nk'obuhere ebuguna amazomba n'ezimba kukundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba moviti bakabita omushipa kimwe enganda zoona zikaziranira hamwe kushara n'emibazi y'ebishaka y'okunabisa abaana baabo omwana naabasa kwesiga movit habo jerry aloe vera ninga she ovacado papaya
movit okweyesiga izooba lyona.
Omunsi aho rukorora na senyiga biri kutishura ku rugahamuramwa ukabura obusinje aho rukorora na senyiga biri kurabanisa mu izuba ryawe ukahendera utine cyo yogasire kandi aho rukorora na senyiga biri kurazo tabyami nitukwanjura Genacof DS Herbal Syrup eri kukozesebwa okujanja borukororo senyiga nakahehero za allergy hamwe n'urukororo ruretwa asthma aho naho. Genacof DS Herbal Syrup nekorwa okurwumbisha kabyite by'obuhangwa ekirizibwa aba National Drug Authority kandi ninungi ahabwa abatona bakuru. Genacof DS Herbal Syrup nekorwa aba Gena Herbal Limited abakorire Covidex gishanjumba tundroge mbazi gona omuyihanga obusasi kuburagumizemu shirro bahabuzi bw'umushaho. Gena Herbals ekayeme baze ekishaka etine kabi.
Nebaza nnyo Red Cross yetuyigiriza mu biseera bino okusinziira ndi etuyigiriza waliyo bannafu abavuga obubi ku makubo okwo ku nguudo ezo biki naye tulaba Red Cross bwe yatuyigiriza okusoma ne tusoma kiki first aid kyeki tuyambyeko okusinziira nga bwe kiri kubanga njebaza nnyo.
Prudential, let's face life together. Tuli nawe.
Makuru ag'ebyemizannyo omutezi w'ebikonde n'emigyere Titus Tugume hamwe na Ausi Mbata batandika okutendekwa kwetebekanisa empaka ezirabeho okwezi okwamushanju aho muri Mbarara. Mbata orikuza kurwana n'omunyakenya okutendekwa kwe akutiire omu ghetto eyakatete leero Tugume ari ahari Riz Hotel.
Omunyamahekanda omutezi w'ebikonde rurangano Titus Tugume oriyo nahwerwa abatendeki be omukutendekwa okunagira ngu ayiteguriye kwiza kushengura Bengura Latifu omukurwana kwa Battle for Championship okuraba 2017 bekoze kwa mushanzu hara agipumotero mu Rembo Mbarara.
Zani mulungi konka kandi level yanjye takagikira kwa Nyondi International. By the way, you are suggesting ujangu contesting on national title, but for me I'm not of national title, I'm of African title. Sira ikomo tukwesimbo mbundo mbantu buta kubaza. When the international and local there is a big difference. So and the mamisho munonga when they come tweeting nkumwerere nenza kumpunishing. It is going to be a punishment.
Tugume oyino bukugu bw'enjo muzanogu na nendwaro nkagana mushanzu aho asingirwa ho mushanzonka ekiri kumuhereza enkizo ari Latifu okurugo muri region ya Busoga bitu ababiraba tubarize kwayanira orukoba rwona we champion wa burengerezo omukyango mugenda n'ebikonde Ausi Mbata oriyo nayitebekanisiza kuritana no munyakenya Elvis Okero nawe okutendekwa kwe yakutwara ari roots and culture ghetto area omurikatete Mbarara city.
Ne musajja ndurwede okumukuba ne president wa Kenya jakaba njagala mukube ne coach we akabe njagala buli ngumi njagala no mukuba coach we nga akaba
tetukyali amatoke na kawungu alyanko kutona misuma indozo mulabo mkiseke nkoko mzumani na beti
ebyo bikiryawo timu ya Nyakera Town Council egutwire ya igomboro ya Nyakera agorisha twariyemwe ukangure mpaka za Benja Cup zitebekanisibwe omuri ntungamo. Goro zikiza abanyakera Town Council zitebire Justice aine rugaba. Nabwanyuma abasinguzi bakwasibwe bichoncho ebakwasibwe Benjamin Kamukama Katangurang.
Restaurant promoting ebyemizano mu Ruhama East twendangwa abana bitu bazane kuruga level eyahansi ka level yahiguru
imparawe na amashemerwa mingi na nabazano banje na gochi witu na administration yona
kandi mazima ni nsima bazano banje ko mu rumo gubakora kandi ni mbahiga Nyakera Town Council eyindi kwebendera nka head coach niyo team emwe eri kuzana omu first division arurengo rwa Ruhama East yona.
Omuganda makuru g'ebyemizano ab'ekibishomero lya Masoro Vocational batebekanise emizano ey'okwetegura emizano y'amashomero ga senior eza district ya Shema eziri kwija kubaho rwa Kanuru aha Chai Kabohe aba batorine n'abazano 20 aho Fiona Nwasima akozire kurunji bwanyuma yo kusinga abandi.
400 meters, that is one lap. Even if you get kumi.
The second one is trying to get through. You can imagine. You can imagine, please. The second.
nyasiga ngu talent yanjye niza kujongerayo kandi nani kashema mbasinge ngumse muza nza national kana national ni pamye niza kora bonza he kuba kicete ngo kine cyo kuza he akuba talent yanjye ngajitandika kiryo mwana
amherugwiza of course hasingenje me kunka yoni ndangwe nzona zasinga gwo kuba bona bashemerero amutwatembe kutungire mizano izoba nkere cyo kwanza chabyo nanturebera mu internet star zimwe na zimwe izabana bintu mwabana nabo bari mwishimiro takuma mobile internet internet nko kuteka hizoba nkere ya sports day twangwira kureba ngo mwanogu in internet internet kandi internet tuza kukoma a level y'ishomero koreka nsa kubongera na district
Babare ukuba murebe muronjwa makuru Agacencwire nagakusiona abandi Mbabazi Charity na Sunday Brand marahari kuronji hagane tujaga bayisyaho nyenshakaye
Eshaha zabishatu zekiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks.